I'm going to make a spring on the bandsaw.
Ah! That's all right, I understand.
Can you do that? Can you break a piece of wood on the bandsaw?